Hey guys, this is Manny over here at Detail Maniac, and right behind me we have a brand new 2024 Tesla CyberTruck. We have wrapped it with CarlasUSA's brand new forged carbon fiber PPF. Check it out.
Hi, my name is Adrian. I'm going to be disassembling all the small pieces off the CyberTruck. So all the wheel wells, I'll be taking off the tail lights and the front light bar.
Oh, it's fine. Wow, it's tight, but it's okay. Hey guys, this is CarlasUSA's brand new forged carbon fiber PPF that can be installed via wet or dry install. On the back here, it has specific air release channels that you can install just like vinyl if you want to install it via dry, and that's what we're going to show you right now. So we've prepped this CyberTruck and we're going to put the PPF on. All right, nice and taut. Are you good? 1, 2, 3. I'm good. Okay. There he goes. So what Adrian's gonna be doing right now is that Adrian right now will be installing this whole entire door dry. There is no water on it, and we can always pull it up and readjust it when necessary, if needed. But however, all the PPF that we're installing on this specific door is via dry installation. Definitely thicker. You can definitely feel the thickness instead of vinyl.
Thanks for watching, guys. For more content like this, like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.